Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. And quick one, yeah, what if you can watch a simple video and earn about 50 cents to $1 on every video you watch? What if you leave a like or a comment on the post and earn another 50 cents? And definitely you can just probably spend a little bit of time, spend little time on your phone and make money again and again. How does that sound? And you can withdraw your money in Bitcoin, in bank transfer, or you can use PayPal. That's awesome, right? And you can do this from any part of the world, and you can do this with your phone, with your tablet, with your laptop. You can do this with any of this device. So what I want you to do for me right now is to comment in the comment section below what device you're using and where you're watching this video from, your location. Just leave it in the description, in the comment section below. This is a brand new method, and I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a brand new account for you to start earning money. So with that being said, my name is Matthew and this is my channel, and on this channel I make tutorial videos. I teach about websites to make money from, website you go to and make money, apps that pays you for free to do little or no tax, and I talk about affiliate marketing here. I talk about CPA marketing on this channel as well. So if you like what I'm doing, or today is the first day of you coming to my channel, if you come here before you didn't subscribe, and I really want you to become part of my family, part of this family, so just subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I post awesome videos or better videos than this one, YouTube is going to notify you. And if at the end of this video you gain value, or during this video you gain value, you can just leave a like on this video, leave a like on this video, or if you don't like this video, you can just tap on the dislike button twice, and I'll really appreciate that. So with that being said, let's go to the website. So this website I'm talking about is going to be paying you for playing games. You're going to earn through playing games. You're going to earn through watching videos, carrying out survey, shopping online. Watching videos is my favorite way to earn money on this website, because it's quite very easy. You just watch videos for a few seconds and they pay you. So guys, I'm going to tell you the name of the website right now. So the website we are going to be using today is called Zareklamy. It's called Zareklamy. So this is it. This is how it looks like on the inside. But real quick, I'm going to log out of this account because I want to show you how you can sign up on Zareklamy. So let me just open it in a new tab. Let me open it in a new tab real quick. So guys, don't just click off on this video and want to go and try Zareklamy on your own, because you're going to get stuck at some point. So it's better you just watch this video to the end and practice what I'm going to teach you today. So like I said, this works in every part of the world, and you can use your phone, you can use your laptop to do this for free. You can use your tablet or whatever device you use. You can download the app on your iOS phone, on your Android phone as well. You can download the app and use. I use the app on my phone, and as you can see, you can come on here, probably read through all of these. You can choose how you want to earn by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, creating accounts, just like I showed you earlier. You can collect your profits, and here you can see what this is very wonderful. By following simple instructions, just in a month you can earn up to 150 USD, and that is very possible without any additional tax and charges. However, there is no limit to your earnings. You set your own working hours. That is awesome, guys. So you can just go through all of this and see what it offers. So you want to click on register, or probably you want to come up here and want to click on registration. When you click on that, it's going to open where you're going to put in your email and your password. But I always advise to use your Google account to open, because it's quite very fast. It doesn't take time. But if you use your email and you can still use your email and password. Put your email here and the password you want to use, and they will send you a verification email. All you have to do is go to your email and click on the link, and they will verify your account, and your accounts will be verified. So that's basically how you sign up on zareklamy. And one thing again I want to talk about, this site is on Trustpilot. As you can see, they have 4.7 rating. That means people trust this site, because you can earn on this site, you can earn real money, and this money can be paid to your account. So with that being said, I'm going to log in, sign in to my account with my email real quick, my Google email, because that's what I used in registering. So I'm going to sign up real quick. It's loading, logging me in right now. So here's the new account I created, and on this account it didn't take me how many minutes or how many seconds to get $86 already on this account. I've been really busy lately, so I've not paid attention to this account. I just tried it out and it's working, so I decided to share with everyone so everybody can earn as well from it. So like I said, after registering, the first thing you want to do is verify your email. As you can see, my email is verified. You want to come to settings, and you want to set up this stuff. You want to set up your account, you want to set up your billings, you want to set up your privacy, you want to set up your about real quick. Just make sure you fill all of that. After filling that, you click on earn. Now you're going to see what I said like in the beginning of this video. You can earn by playing games, you can earn by filling out surveys, you can earn by watching videos, you can earn by shopping online, and you can use your phone to do all of this. And from any part of the world that you are, is not restricted. So for example, if I click on play games to earn, it's going to come here. I choose this second one. As you can see, it's loading up. You see this game, Mafia City. Probably you play these games on here: Mafia City, Board Kings, Solitaire, Grand Harvest, Board King, Solitaire. This one is Brain Test, this other one is Brain Test. You do play this game probably on a daily basis, and you don't earn money from it. Well, here's the good news: you can now earn money. As you can see, playing Mafia City earns you about $10. Playing this one earns you $2.21, and so on and so forth. So these are ways you can earn money on here. I earn money on here watching videos that earned me that little 86 cents you saw there. It didn't take me minutes or seconds that I did that. Another way you can earn money on here is through referral. As you can see, it says you invite a friend or someone from the internet to earn money on zareklamy. If the person makes their first payout, you will both get $10 for free. Now that's awesome, guys. That's awesome. So maybe you might want to copy your link and share it to your friends, and share it to probably your social media account, and tell them about this website that you're earning from, and they'll register through your link. And when they get their first payout, you're going to get $10 free, and they are going to get $10 free as well. Guys, I'm going to leave my link in the description below. It's very important to use my link to register, so that you're going to get this $10 free for free when you do your when you get to cash out your first payout. So it's very important to use my link. I'm going to leave it, probably it's going to be the first link in the description below. So guys, next thing I want to show you on here is let's go back to the dashboard real quick. As you can see, on this dashboard I've made well over 86 cents, and it didn't take me that much. So another thing you want to do is check on billings. I want to show you real quick. Like I said, you can withdraw through Bitcoin, you can withdraw through bank wire transfer, you can withdraw through PayPal. As you can see, I'm not allowed to put in my payment method, because as it says here, I have to reach a threshold of $25 before I can be able to cash out. And to get to $25 is pretty much easy. Talk about those games we talk about, I just show you now. Just playing one of them earns you $10. Imagine if you play like 2-3 of it, you're earning over $20 or probably $50 or $100 in probably a week. So guys, like I always say, don't just watch this video, just watch it the first time, on the second time watch it again and practice. Set up your account and start making money immediately, guys. Like you can start making money like right now from this site. So guys, that's it. You want to come down, do your billing settings and all of that. And like I showed you on Trustpilot, this site is secure and it pays. So guys, that's basically how you make money on this website. I've just showed you another way. So if you gained any value from this video, please leave me a like on this video, and if you have any questions, just comment it down below. And like I said, leave a comment down below and tell me the device you're using and tell me where you're watching this video from. I really appreciate that. For more awesome ways to make money online, there'll be 2 videos popping up on your screen right now. You just choose one and go check it out, and I'm sure you're going to gain more value from it. So with that being said, we've come to the end of this video. So till I see you on my next video, stay safe and remain blessed.